In this video, I will show you how to convert your color to multiple other format. So visit this website webtools.barkateresa.in and underneath this converter tools, just click here color converter. Here enter the color, then submit HSL, RGB, RGBA, alpha. So here click on color converter, adjust the color and submit. In this website, you can use the format HEX, alpha, RGB, RGBA, HSV, HSL, and HSLA. So use this website. Just you need to create your free account with Gmail, and there are so many tools you can use it. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.